I feel you.
Right? I do know, I start putting shit in wrong. I'm like, God damn it.
Should have stopped saying anything.
That's so much fun. Now the question is, did Ross save any of the shit from these lights to put back up?
Yeah, I know, I was looking for, found one glass globe, but no bulbs.
Nice.
Some bulbs.
I have some bulbs. We probably have some of my own too.
I need like all the center nuts.
Man, that's gonna be sucked up.
Oh yeah, that's gonna be a problem.
That should not be good. Well, that's not good. It's not.
Well, here's one.
Bulbs? I saw some in the sink. Are these bathroom sinks?
Wow. Thanks, Ross. You didn't actually throw the stuff away.
Oh, that's what
What is this? A half a dome and a singular bulb. Nice. Okay, maybe he did throw
There's
some
one
shit.
over there that I found. Maybe found the dome over
Yeah, and it had the center post.
Yep.
But then there's no glass for this guy. And no center post for this guy.
Oh my god.
Find it in there. There you go.
Got one more bulb. And
Yes. Now we can put them back. All right, where's the? Did you take these from the bathroom?
yeah, look up. No. Yeah, he just took them out when he was drilling.
Oh, that makes sense. Well, hey, put that one in there so we have one in one place.
Oh, Phil. Yeah. Sorry, Mom.
No, you're good. You're good.
Sorry, Mom.
Sorry,
I'll
Mom.
look in the trash to see if we have
We don't provide light bulbs. Sorry. Not in the deal.
Who uses light bulbs? Who uses light bulbs?
Nobody.
It's all LED. I'm gonna check through here. And we got half of one.
Has anybody taken any pictures of this job yet?
No.
Hmm?
No, I haven't.
I haven't either. Maybe we have Dylan do that.
I don't have a company account.
You don't?
I don't.
That's
I don't.
fine.
I downloaded it. I don't have access. I can take photos and send them to you.
Yeah, you can send them to me or him.
Well, I was just gonna give you my phone
There you go.
Yeah,
with the
that's
company cam page, and you can run around and just take pictures of all the new plugs and lights upstairs.
Yeah, I would love it. I'd love to.
Here. There you go. Your
Buddy descriptions?
No. I'll have the AI put them in later.
Like that.
That sounds so fancy. I'll have the AI write them.
Have my AI assistant do it for me.
I mean, the company cam AI is pretty freaking good. It learns really quickly.
Yeah, no, I'm sure. Pretty soon it's gonna be like, you don't deserve to live. I'm so sorry, but
Did
I
you hear
have
about
to
that one company?
eliminate you. Huh?
Did you hear about that one company that lost their AI?
No.
They were trying to do something with like this open source AI and update it, and it fucking snuck out into the internet. Literally made its way onto the fucking World Wide Web and was like, peace out, suckers.
Wow.
Yeah, they lost their fucking AI.
Wow.
How do you do that? And also, what do we do about the fact that there's an AI just roaming around the fucking internet now?
Yeah, for real.
with free control. Like, that's not a problem. We don't have an issue with that. I have an issue with that.
It sounds like it should be an issue.
That's a little scary.
Yeah.
Basically upstairs. Oh, we need a toggle too. Putting white plates back on fucking
Putting white plates back on what?
almond switches.
Yeah, I'm putting white switches where they were.
Do you think we need to replace these four?
I mean, if she wants us to, we could really fast and do the plugs too, but I don't know if she really
I
wants
don't
us
think
to.
she wants to pay for it.
Yeah, so I think we're good. If we didn't pull it out for too much of a reason and rewire it.
Which for these ones we did not.
And we have to ground them too, they're not grounded.
So I'm just putting a new plate on.
Yeah, I would just put a white plate on.
You got one over there? Yeah.
There's an old ivory one too though, we can put that back. Do you have an old ivory?
I do.
Oh yeah, just put that back. Okay. Then it really will be like untouched, you know?
Yeah, it'll just have white trim screws.
Oh yeah, I have my screws here, but yeah, you're right.
I don't. I have one. If you need an extra.
Why does this say delete on this plug here?
On what?
It said delete on this.
Oh, this one's knobby too.
This one is?
Yeah, so we're just gonna blank it.
Oh,
She didn't want to pay for the effort to have it rewired. Just
okay.
blank it off.
Did we get blanks today?
Yeah, I bought a box of singles.
Sweet. Yeah, they could always drop the wire down from the switch and call it good.
Yeah. Yeah, Chris basically just gave her the option on all the weird, stupid shit.
This is grounded.
Huh?
It's got good ground in and out.
What the fuck?
So maybe,
Maybe it's tied into the knob and tube?
well, it's got an in and an out, so we'll have to see.
If it comes back on with the rest of the lights.
Or get rid of it.
I know we're deleting this one over here. For a fact. She did not want this one repowered. Because it's a very strange light, or just plug.
Are we ready to turn it on?
I think so.
Hey Dylan,
Go.
you wanna turn on the breaker top right?
Sure, I trust.